Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up eSIM on iPhone 15 Plus. So you have to start with opening your settings application. Now click on mobile and now click setup mobile. Now click use QR code and you have to have eSIM starter that will look something like that. And now you have to scan the QR code on your starter. And now you have to set up a confirmation code, which in my case is 3701. And now click continue. And now you can click done, click OK and click done. And as you can see now here I have mobile network access, so my eSIM works. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.